All right, happy New Year to everyone. And I want to say thank you very much for your support and for showing up and your concern. So you're welcome to the Roadmap Empire channel, and we'll be looking at the movement of the dollar for this year, 2025, so we can know how to navigate through the markets with the directional bias that it's going to give to us. All right, so looking at the yearly time frame, a single candle is what we want to look at, and where exactly is this candle and what exactly is this candle doing? All right. So without further ado, let's just break the chart down. All right. So this is the monthly time frame, and then we have um we have this market being bullish from this level up to this level. Okay. And then at some point, we now had a break of structure around here. All right. A break of structure around there. We then now have our new structure, which is now bearish, from bullish to bearish. All right. So we have this, and we have this. So currently, when this market broke from this level, price is supposed to come back up to do a discounting on this new structure it has formed. On this new structure it formed, this new structure, like so. So price is supposed to come to this discount level. But then price didn't do that for us to have another push back to the downside. So price did not do that. So apparently it looks like this, what price has done. It has done what it's supposed to do by giving us a discounted level. Then we'll see price push back to the downside. So we want to see this level being respected, and price is exactly at that level. So I want to see this level being respected, and price 2024 closed right there. So looking at the structure, we are bullish. We are totally bullish because we now have moves to the upside. We have this move. We have this move from this point to this point. Then we had a correction down to the downside, then this push into the discounted area of this move right here. So we want to see the price will drop back down or keep going, since we are in an impulsive phase around here. So impulse, correction, impulse. So we want to see what price will literally do around here. Okay. So for us to do that, and for us to see that, we have to look for a change of structure from the lower time frames. So let's say we look at the 6 months. Okay, so this is the yearly structure that we marked. So we can say, let's look at the 6 months level. All right. So price closed just right there. So I want to literally see a change in character, a change in structure for us to have a good confirmation that we're still going to come back down, or we'll keep going back to the upside. So navigate down to the 3 months and see. So price is currently there. Then and see that we've been bullish all this while. We've been bullish all this while. So the first quarter of 2025 would really do a lot to show us what the year is going to look like for the dollar. Okay, so this is 3 months time frame. Then you can look at the monthly time frame. All right. So everywhere we can look at, the market has always been bullish. So the market has always been bullish. It is in a bullish state, right from the yearly time frame down to the monthly time frame. So let's look at the weekly and see what's happening and what structure we can draw out from here. All right. Okay. So from the weekly time frame, we can see we have break or structure right here. All right, break or structure right here. Then we had a break or structure right here. Then we have a break or structure right here. Okay, so this is very tricky. It's a tricky one because the structure right here, we have two moves right here. So we have impulse, a shallow correction, then another impulse. So once we have another correction, but this is where the trick is right now. So I could literally wait for the whole of January before I start taking my trades. Reason is because I want to see a structural change. All right. I want to see a structural change. So we have these guys around here. So what I want to see is a structural change. And by structural change, I mean that I want to see price close below this level. Then we can now say that what we're looking at for the year is going to be what super bearish. All right. So this is what we're looking at for. So we can look at the daily and see what the daily is doing. We want to see a change in structure. So you can see this is one move from the weekly time frame. So right here, this is where we now have our structural move. Because as it stands right now, we have a move from this point. Okay, that's too big. So we have this low and this high. So for the daily time frame, I really want to see that structure closes below this level. Then it will now give us an idea of what the weekly time frame would look like. Then for the weekly time frame, I want to see price close below this level. Then we'll now see what the monthly would look like. All right. So down to the H4 time frame. All right. So you can see obviously that we have these moves like this and all of that. So if price keeps going down, if price keeps coming down, on the H4 time frame, we want to see price go below here, below this level. And then we'll have a change of structure. All right. So once this happens around here, then we'll have a change of structure for the H4 time frame. Then we'll now have, looking at the daily, if we have a change of structure in the daily time frame also, then we'll now consider the dollar being super bearish. So one candle for the year is going to be bearish and all of that. So this is what we are looking at for the dollar. This is what we're looking at for the dollar. So we just need to pay attention to this. And if this happens, it then means that every other currency that is paired with the dollar would literally kick the dollar's ass strongly because it is bearish and it means that it is weak. So the dollar is weak. It means that GBP USD will be a buy for the year. Euro USD will be a buy. AD USD will be a buy. NZD USD will be a buy. USD CAD will be a sell. USD CHF will be a sell. USD JPY will be a sell. So we're just looking at the dollar for this year being bearish. All things being equal until we have the break of structure from the daily time frame, have a break of structure from the weekly time frame, and all of that. So until we have those, we really do not have any business with the dollar being strong. All right. So once we have those, we now know it's going to be weak. All right. So it's a short video and it's just me trying to help out for us to maximize our move throughout this year and see how we can catch good trades, just knowing that the dollar is weak or the dollar is going to continue being strong. Okay. So this is just what I have to share with you for now. And in the course of time, we'll have other videos and there's a lot of packages for this channel that would really make sense to a lot of traders out there. All right. So thank you very much. And we'll see you on the next video next time. And please subscribe to the channel, like, share. You can talk to your friends about it because we're going to be doing live analysis of the market every single week. We'll do a live analysis on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. We'll just give an update of what is happening in the Forex market and all of that. So just stay tuned, subscribe so you get the notification at every time we upload a video. All right. Thank you very much. from the roadmap empire.